Good morning and welcome to Drive Time with Robin and African Payment Solutions. Today we're talking about Kenya. Give our multinational e-commerce companies a high level on the kind of stats they can expect when entering the territory and how to optimize their payments or online payments. So the KCA, Kenya Communications Authority, reports on statistics, and these are quite useful for getting an indication of what the levels of mobile subscribers and so on are in the country. So there's about 50 million mobile subscriptions in the country at the moment. It's growing. It went up to 53 million from 52 million. The number of mobile subscribers are being added at a lower rate because I think it's probably reaching kind of saturation there. There's actually over 110% mobile subscription saturation in the country. So the share of mobile subscriptions between the different providers has remained relatively static over the last few years. Safaricom is about 64%, Airtel is about 25%, Telkom is about 8 or 9%. In terms of mobile money, M-Pesa is obviously the leader. It's got about 30 million active subscriptions, and then Airtel Money is the next in line with about 4 million. Equitel Money has about 2 million. So that's give you a rough idea of the market shares of each of those from a mobile money payment perspective. The mobile commerce transactions, they're measured in Kenya Shillings, which is a little tricky because there's quite a lot of shillings to the dollar. But from April to June 2019, M-Pesa had about 1.5 billion, Equitel Money about 378 billion, and Airtel Money about 2 billion. So it's pretty much in the same ratio as the market shares from a mobile money perspective. Some other interesting stats, there's just internet payments, men about 7% and women about 3%. And the number of women and men with a credit card are fairly similar. About 58% of Kenyans made or received a mobile payment last year, and 75% of Kenyans have a bank account. So in terms of e-commerce and multinational e-commerce companies expanding to the territory and looking for payment, you're pretty much sorted with credit card, debit card, and M-Pesa. That'll keep you well covered in terms of online payment. So if you're looking for online payment in Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, or the rest of the sub-Saharan African continent, give us a shout, africanpaymentsolutions.com, and we'll see how we can sort you out. Well, it's Monday. I hope you guys have an awesome week. Thank you for listening.